I put tissue inside the plastic jar. Added some water and placed the seeds around the tissue. Day 1. The seeds are small, blue, and hard, no roots or leaves yet. On day 2, the seed become bigger and show tiny white roots. Day 3, the roots grow longer and a small green stem appears. Day 4, the plant is taller and greener. The roots are longer. Day 5, 2 small leaves appear. The plant is taller and greener. Day 6, the plant becomes taller and darker green. The roots are long and there are 2 leaves. Day 7, the plant looks